Class, many students argue about this question. Some say 1, others say 4. Let's solve it together and see who is correct. Question is, 50 divided by 25 times 1 plus 1 equals. Options are A. 1, B. 3, C. 9, D. 81. Your time starts now. Mistakes that people do. They think like this. 25 times 2 equals 50. 50 divided by 50 equals 1. They group 25 times 2 together first. But guys, there is no bracket around it, so this is not correct. First, we don't panic. We simply follow the rule of BODMAS step by step. B for bracket, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. That's all. Step 1. Start with the bracket. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now rewrite the question. 50 divided by 25 times 2. Step 2. Look at division and multiplication. Guys, listen. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so we solve from left to right, not randomly. Step 3. Solve from left to right. First, 50 divided by 25 equals 2. Good. Now continue. 2 times 2. Correct answer equals 4. Always remember. Brackets first, then multiply and divide from left to right. Follow the rule, and you'll never be confused. Thumbs up.